everybody, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year, y'all. We know we've been MIA for a little bit. We'll go over that with you all after a while, but first we want to let you know that today we're going to be making some Chipotle chicken bowls. Yum. We're going to talk about the ingredients for our marinade in a second, but first we're going to ask if you could please like this video, share it with everybody you know, and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of your support. All right, so let's talk about our ingredients for our marinade. All right, first we have some olive oil. We're gonna be using some cumin, and this is kosher salt. We also have some chili powder, some fresh garlic. And this is oregano, and we have some black pepper. And the last thing we have here is some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. All right, so that's our ingredients for our marinade. And we'll talk about our toppings later, but for now, let's get started on our chicken. All right, y'all, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my marinade for my chicken. And everything that I just showed you, I'm gonna get in the blender and get it blended up. All right, y'all, so we didn't tell you all, we're also going to use about 3/4 cup of water. So I'm going to go ahead and add that now. Okay, so we have 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs here that we've already cleaned very well. I've taken off all of the, as much fat as I could on there as well. And if you wanted to, you could use chicken breasts, but we chose thighs today. So we're gonna go ahead and get that put in our freezer bag or Ziploc bag and put our marinade in, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, so now that our chicken is just about done marinating, let's go over the toppings that we're going to be including in our bowls today. Alright, so at the base of our bowls, we're going to have some jasmine rice, and we've cut up some fresh cilantro to include in the rice. And also, if you have some lime juice or something like that, you can also put that in there. We left that out today, but that would be good in that too. And we have some romaine lettuce. And we also have some green pepper and onion. We're gonna saute these and some butter and a little bit of seasoning just to soften them up a bit. And we have some pico, some corn, black beans, as well as sour cream, some salsa, Queso Blanco dip, chipotle sauce, and some Quesadilla cheese. Now, last but not least, we have one of my absolute favorites, avocado. Ricki doesn't like avocado, but it's gonna be her loss today because I'm gonna get down on this. All right, I think that just about covers everything. So as you know, we always list everything below the video in our description. So to see everything we're gonna be using here, just check there. All right, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken seared up and get our bowls assembled. So we'll see you at the stove. All right, y'all, so we have our chicken marinated. So now we're gonna get a good sear on our chicken. So we want our skillet to be fairly hot. Oh yeah, so that's what you want. I hear that. That's what you want. That's how you know that skillet is like, come on with it. Y'all can just smell this. Oh my goodness, this marinade is absolutely gonna be good. Alright guys, so now we have finished cooking our chicken. It has rested for about 20 minutes and it's ready to be cut. So we're just going to cut it lengthwise and then turn it the other way and cut it again, because we want to end up with cubes as best we can. Look, I'm not a professional chicken cutter-upper, so so I'm going to cut this chicken up the best I can. So alright, let's go ahead and get this cut up. Okay, so let me just say while I cut up this chicken, you guys know that we haven't posted in a couple of weeks, but we like to post more frequently than that.
Yeah, we've been busy fulfilling orders for our small business, and the end of the year is always the busiest time for us.
It really is. Just know, guys, that we're always working to get out more content for you all, and we appreciate your patience with us and your comments, and you know, you're watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Thank you for all of your support.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Alright, so let's talk about our bowls. Now this marinade that we used on this chicken was outstanding.
It really made the chicken taste just like the restaurant.
It really did.
Like, no exaggeration. It really did.
And the other flavors, the other ingredients that we used, the way we prepared it, everything was just good together.
Yeah, and of course you can use whatever toppings you want. You can use as much as you want, as little as you want. That's the fun part about these bowls. You can freestyle. Freestyle friendly.
And look at all the colors. So pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, they were delicious, y'all. So good. Try it. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, so if you guys made it this far in the video, I have a question for you guys. What would you put on top of your Chipotle bowls?
And what would you leave out?
Yes. As always, if you enjoyed, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, please. Share this video with everybody you know.
Thank you guys so much for your support. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. See you guys later.
Bye.